yourself breathing, hanging by a thread. My heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently that I'm waking the next day without you beside me? And who I hold on to today, tomorrow will just be a memory, and that I will look back at all of this and wonder why I stayed in here just to watch you disappear. So I breathe and let it go. How do I breathe and let you go? Before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word will make me go rushing back to you. So I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in.
You were my fifth, fourth, or third. Second's not the word. You were my first, my first true love. Every day, you're still the one I'm thinking of you. 'Cause you're my first true love. Atraso. Parehas tayo nag-iingat lang, oh baby, alam kong alam mo na wala akong niloloko dito sa'yo. Totoo ako, di ko tatanggi, kaso di ko alam kung kakayanin mo yung hapde.
I love you.
I love you too.
Pag na tayo 1 million, bibito ka. Hindi ko talaga alam paano. Magpapaturo mo na ako kay Ate Maloy. Magpapaturo nga muna ako. Ayoko na, Lord. Ayoko na. Bakit ganito pinili ko sa buhay ko? Maloy, turuan mo nga ako. Go.
Narinig mo ba kanina? Narinig mo ba kanina?
Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Sa'yo na ikaw na lang magbibito. Sige na, I'll judge you. Anong you'll judge me? You're gonna teach me. Kailangan mong ipitin yung boses mo. Hoy! Ano yung vlogs? Hello po! Hello po! Try mo lang, yung like high pitch. Try mo yan, go. Ipitin, tas high pitch. Go na!